I want to go back there and I want to rebuild. So, you know, God willing, we'll start over.
And you take them to your mom's, or what are you going to do?
Well, I'm going to need some of Kyle's clothes, the shorts, and then some of his socks.
Oh, Mr. Kyle. He has a rare syndrome. He's on a ventilator and requires dialysis 3 days a week. He's blind and can't walk, but can join in any conversation. And just on my worst days, I can look at him and he's just such a happy person, no matter what. Want to lay down? You getting tired? Yo, you're fixing to go to bed? Lights out? The party's over, right?
The water was up to my knees. I was not even thinking that once I got to the street, it would be a lot higher. And I don't know how to swim, so I was freaked out.
Mommy, what's happening? Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? And I kept saying, he's in the house. He'll be back. He's going to come for us.
Very scary because I know our son needs us.
It became very dangerous for Kyle because he has to have dialysis Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And by then, we were going on day 3 with no dialysis.
We knew the last option that we had was a chopper to get Kyle lifted up over all this water around us.
Hey, honey.
Hello.
Hey.
Hello, baby.
Hey, Kyle's on the phone.
Hello.
Hey, buddy. How are you?
Okay.
So,
You all right?
yes, tell Daddy yes.
Yes.
So,
Okay.
where are you, honey?
I'm still here at the house.
Okay, what all have you been able to do today?
I loaded up the truck with a lot of stuff and cleaned the garage.
Okay.
So hopefully tomorrow it's dry enough we can start putting furniture over there. And your wedding dress is busted. The whole box busted.
I guess I won't be wearing that anytime soon.
Is Lily there? They just left. She's on her way. I'm sure the moment is going to hit her pretty hard. I mean, it's going to be difficult. She knows she has to be strong.
You smell really horrible.
That smell horrible. It's been horrible. It's been a horrible week.
You know, 25 years of memories, Christmases, anniversaries. It's a lifetime there. I don't want to leave it. That's all he knows is home, so I want to get him back there.
When she collapses because she's tired, I take over. When I collapse, she takes over. And just don't give up. And we have to stay strong together to get through this and get a livable condition, a clean environment for our son to be in. We'll rebuild and we'll be a strong family again.